will say to you today. Walk to 7 persons of your choice. Say, neighbor, I want to praise my God. If you are not ready this morning, I will praise my God and take the whole blessing unto myself. Extend that prophetic declaration to another person. Say, neighbor, you are leaving this place with a testimony today. Some of you are looking like somebody that don't want testimony. Look at somebody. Say, neighbor, are you afraid of your neighbor? Look your neighbor, eyeball to eyeball. Say, neighbor, hey, you are leaving this place with a testimony today. Give the Lord a shout. Look at that neighbor again. Say, neighbor, relax, God has something for you. Say, neighbor, relax, God has something for you. Who is greater than Jehovah, Lord divine? Hey, there is no one greater than me. Maybe your own God, something is greater than the God. Look at your neighbor, say, neighbor, who is greater than Jehovah? Hey! Let me see your dancing partner. It's not every time you'll be having a prayer partner. Let me see your dancing partner. Look at your dancing partner and say, neighbor, people where get here go hear them. Oh, hear them. Oh. Listen to me. After this morning Thanksgiving service, people where get I go see them. Oh. Saying, I'm not here to entertain you. I know that my God will give you a new song, and your mouth you go sing am. Oh, 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 you go sing am. Oh, Jesus will be my all day. Your body, your body, oh, my body, my body, can I see your hand? You wave your mantle, wave your mantle. Come on. My God is so good, buddy. I will give him body praise. I will lift up his name. Some of you are not lifting God higher. Listen. Tamuno, Tamuno, Tamuno. Not so much and I can't give me. Tamuno, Tamuno, Tamuno. It's not so much and I can't. Everybody lift your voice and say, you've done so much and I can give it down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Everybody on the Tamuno. You have done so much for me. How can I keep this goodness? Yeah. One more time, sing Tamuno. Come on, let's go. He has done so much for me. If God has done so much for you, can you jump up on your feet and shout Tamuno? Tamuno. You have done so much and I'm so grateful, Tamuno. Even if you're man, I'm like it, you've done so much and I can't get rid of Tamuno. You have done so much and I'm so grateful, Tamuno. Tamuno. Everybody lift your voice and say, you have done so much for me. How can I keep your goodness? Yeah. One more time, sing Tamuno. You have done so much for me. God of peace set us, he go settle you today.